Did quite a dramatic makeup today, kind of a black and gold eye makeup look. It is quite heavy for my standards, but let's give it a shot. We're going to first do the eye makeup because I don't want all the product to fall on my face after I've used my foundation. So I'm going to use a little concealer on top of my eyes and some kind of a powder or a powder foundation just to mattify the top of my eyes so the eyeshadow glides on well. Take a dark brown eyeshadow, any dark brown eyeshadow, and of course tap off the extra product that's for every eyeshadow and apply it on your upper eyelid. It doesn't need to be neat because we'll blend it out, and just take it up to your crease line. If you have hooded eyes, take it further up. This brown is a base for a gold that I will put on top of this so that the gold pops. Take any soft eyeshadow brush which is clean and blend out the edges. Keep time in your hand when you do this look because at every step I'm going to be blending a lot. Once again, blend it with the clean brush. Now take any black eyeshadow and a soft brush and start using it from the corner, from outside to inside. Take little product at every step and then increase if you need to. Bring it up a little bit onto your crease, but mostly towards the outer corner. I'm repeating this like I do in every video. Please use products of your own choice. If you want to use the ones that I've used, then I've captioned them and you can get them on Nykaa, Tira Beauty, Amazon or Sephora. I don't share links because links actually expire within a month. So the best thing would be to type in exactly what I've captioned in the video. Now again, blend out your black with a clean, soft brush. Take any matte gold eyeshadow with your finger and just dab it on to your upper eyelid. It looks much brighter now. All the makeup looks much brighter in front of my dressing table. Once I'm going to go into a dim light or a kind of evening setting, it's going to all fall into place. Now go back in with the black and touch up your outer corners. Once again with a clean brush, blend, 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 blend. Now a soft brush and any, doesn't matter which brand, any light brown eyeshadow and start blending the crease. We have to make the look soft. I said any so many times. Now take a thick flat brush and touch up your gold. I picked up a random brush in front of me which is a concealer brush. Doesn't matter. Just touch up the gold with a brush or your finger, which will work. Once again, blend with a clean brush. Before rest of the makeup, take a wet wipe and clean your face in case there's been some fallout from the eyeshadow. I'll just moisturize my face. I don't like using a primer all the time. Primers do block your pores, so unless I need to keep my makeup completely all day long, I don't use it. Just a moisturizer is fine. Now I'm going to use a liquid foundation. As usual, very little. If I require later, I will increase it, but the lesser the layer, the more natural and nicer the look. You can go in for your concealer now. Some people like using it before the foundation, some after. It doesn't matter. It's about whatever works for you. I prefer using it after the foundation. I'll go in with a powder-based soft contour with any soft blush on brush or a soft brush like this will do. I don't want anything else dramatic on my face because the eyes are dramatic already. But a little contour in the evening look looks nice and gives a dimension to the face, making the shadows fall in the right place. Flatten your brush and use a little on the two sides of your nose, and that's good enough for contouring your nose. Now I'm going to go back in with my black eyeshadow and a pencil brush. Pencil brushes are available in every brand. Just type pencil brush. This one is by Colorbar, but it's discontinued. I have loads of them, so it's very, very easy to find. Now smudge out this black further to make it look a little smoky with a dark brown eyeshadow. You guys will hardly see me use eyeliner because I find it too dramatic and my hands don't feel steady enough to do it fast. So for my daily quick makeup, I just avoid it. But if you want to use an eyeliner, go for it. A pencil liner is always easier for me to use, which I can smudge out. Anyway, set your eyebrows with a gel. I usually don't draw it. If you need to, go for it, but still set it. I'm going to use a nude kajal on my waterline. If you want it to be more intense, you can go in with a black. Go back in again with any light brown eyeshadow and again blend and blend and blend and blend. I don't like using falsies or false eyelashes. It stresses me out unless I'm on stage or I'm shooting for something. I prefer a good mascara. A good mascara is good enough. Line and fill out your lips with a nude lip liner so that your lipstick stays longer. Then I'm using a darker lip liner, which I will blend out because I'm going to use a nude lipstick. I'm using a creamy lipstick so that I don't have to use a gloss. Otherwise, with such a look, I always prefer a lip gloss on my nude lips. I love a good blush on. I use a cream blush on because I have dry skin. If you have oily skin, you can go for a powder formula. Whatever works for you. Blend in your blush on really well. Hey, I'm almost ready. Now take your Studio Fix or your powder foundation and touch it up. I don't like baking my face. It looks too dry. So this is good enough for me. Take your highlighter, whichever one it is, and put it on your outer brow bone. I'm going to complete my makeup with some highlighter. Do this look when you have the time. Check it out, see how you like it. I'll come back soon with some more easy videos. Take care.